Hi, I'm Lisa Wallen with Directional Learning, and today I'm going to be teaching you right-handers how to make lowercase b and our capital B. And do you know what they both have in common? They both have bouncy beds. That's what I call this letter, a bouncy bed, because this round part is the bouncy bed. And this letter here, notice it has two bouncy beds. What do you call two bouncy beds? They're bunk beds. So this is going to be our bunk bed, capital B, and this is going to be our bouncy bed. And remember, if you ever jumped on a bouncy bed, you would look like this, jumping on a bouncy bed. That's bouncy. So today we're going to learn how to make lowercase b first. I'll show you that this right here, this is the building, and this is going to be your bed, your thumb. So to get to the bouncy bed, you got to go down the building, then bounce up, then you'll go towards your thumb to get on the bouncy bed. So it would look like this. You got to go down the building, you bounce up, and then you go towards your thumb. And now you're on the bouncy bed. So that's how you make letter B. So let's try it with the pen. Remember, this is the building and this is your bed. So you got to go down the building, then you bounce back up and you go towards your thumb. And then that's letter B. So you see we made letter B, and how you can check is if the bouncy bed is going towards your thumb, then you got letter B. And the sound for this is B. Say it really fast. So that's the letter B. Next, I'm going to show you how to make our bunk beds. Notice that with here, we have a bunk bed on top and we have a bunk bed at the bottom. Well, same thing. Just imagine that to get to the top bunk, you have to go down the bunk bed, then you go back up, then you go towards your thumb to make the first bunk bed, then you kiss the building, then you go towards your thumb to make the second bunk bed. So it would look like this with the bouncy ball. You go down the building, then you go back up, or you can think you're going up a ladder since it's a bunk bed. Then you go towards your thumb to get on the first bunk bed, then you kiss the building, then you go on the second bunk bed. Capital B. So let's try it with our pen. You go down the building or the ladder, then you got to go back up, then you go towards your thumb to make the first bunk bed, kiss the building, then go towards your thumb, the second bunk bed. And you can check. Both bunk beds are pointing towards your thumb, so you made capital B. And the sound for both letters is, remember, you put lips together, then you turn your voice box on and you say it really fast. B, B. And that's how you make letter B. Now, if somebody said, can you tell me if this is a B or D? Well, which one's the bunk bed? This one. So that's letter B. Now, you needed to figure out, is a B or D? Get your non-writing hand and check it. Now, this is your bed, so it's going towards the bed. So that's the bed. That's bat. So now you can read it. So now you know what the difference is between lowercase b and capital B. So we thank you for watching Directional Learning. Remember, you can always go to our YouTube channel because it's free. We have a free reading and spelling program just for you. So make sure you like and subscribe.